In practice, these earplugs excel at sleep, blocking out traffic, snoring, or late-night disturbances without discomfort. Work and study, reducing distracting background chatter for improved focus. Travel, creating a calmer experience in airplanes, trains, or noisy terminals. Relaxation and mindfulness, helping users find stillness, the Zen-like clarity Saccater emphasizes. The Saccater Focus Max is more than just an incremental upgrade. It's a category-defining innovation. By offering 3 interchangeable tip types, pioneering the Zen-Core silicone foam hybrid, and prioritizing both comfort and sustainability, Saccater has created a product that outperforms both disposable foam plugs and standard reusable options. If you're seeking versatile, comfortable, and eco-friendly earplugs that adapt to every environment, Focus Max is one of the most exciting launches of 2025 and well worth backing.